The power of eye contact. Hi, my name is Michael. I'm a filmmaker and video coach, and today we are looking at the importance of eye contact when talking on camera. So, eye contact. You are noticing that I am looking directly at you. I am not looking at the screen. I am fully engaging with you. So this is something that I actually cover in my Filming with Smartphones course, but I do feel that it is a video that is worthy of my YouTube channel, and I'm going to tell you the importance of eye contact and why we should use it when creating video content. So, how many times have you been on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and you have noticed somebody is talking about their business and they are not looking directly at the screen? They might have the best product in the world, the best branded piece of content in the world, or the best story to tell in the world. But if they are not giving you eye contact, the audience doesn't feel like they need to engage and watch and consume the content that is being played in front of them. Eye contact is very important. It's important because it makes your audience accountable to watch your content. It gives them more of an opportunity to get to know you because they feel like you are having a one-way conversation with them. I see it quite a lot on LinkedIn where somebody is talking and they're saying, "Hi everybody, my name is Michael and today I want to talk to you about filming on your smartphone." There is just no accountability for that audience to watch your content. If you give them the eye contact and you actually stare them out and you to have a conversation like you normally would with a person, you will feel that there is going to be a higher engagement in your videos. So for example, if I was now to do the same thing, "Hi, my name is Michael. I am a filmmaker and video coach, and I want to talk to you about my Filming with Smartphones course." How much better is that when I'm actually talking to you directly? Do you feel like you should be engaging more? Do you feel like you should be standing to attention and listening to what I say? When I look away, there is literally nothing that warrants you continuing on listening to what I have to say. It's very disconnected. You wouldn't talk to someone in the street and look to the side of them. So we have to get used to talking to the camera lens. We have to get used to looking at a lens, not a screen. This is so much better for you to actually create your content and not be mindful of what is going on the screen. It means that you can actually focus more time on actually talking to your audience. So what I would like you to do is go away after watching this video and just start looking at the camera lens and getting used to doing that. What you will find is that it's very unnatural to start off with, but when you actually start looking at the lens instead of the screen, it just becomes second nature, just like everything else. You will just adapt. I find it strange now to look at the screen. If I was to look at my computer screen, I would be looking here. So it doesn't help me in any way to be doing video content looking at my screen. I have obviously got used to looking at my camera lens, and my camera lens gives me the opportunity to talk to you directly. So that's all we have time for in this week's episode, but I will be back next week with some more valued content. If you haven't subscribed, then don't forget to click the button. If you would like to see when I post all my latest videos, don't forget to click the bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next week.